Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for community of ICITACEE 2020. I want to begin, start my presentation. Okay, this is my presentation and the 7th International Conference on Information Technology, Computer and Electrical Engineering, Diponegoro University 2020. This is my title of my research, Understanding Indonesian Citizens' Continuous Intention to Use Mobile-Based Smart City, Perspective of Modified Expectation Confirmation Model, or MEGM. This is a joint research about Information System Department of Madura Islamic University and Information Department of Institute Teknologi 10 November Surabaya in the scheme of PKPD 2020. I want to this is an outline of our presentation. First about introduction, second about research method, third about result and finding of our result, fourth about discussion, five about conclusion, and at last about implication about my research. Okay, this is an introduction. Uh, Smart city is an interactive ICT-based urban governance framework that is meant to be capable of managing regional resource in an effective and quite well coordinated manner. The design of smart cities is intended to adapt to increasingly complex and multi-problem of urban governance. However, several significant issues occurs in smart city development consist of lack of skilled human resource factor, inefficient ICT governance and policies, lack of governance dedication, and low of participation or involvement of community and stakeholders in using smart application city. Some cities have started implementing mobile-based smart city service application, but the contribution and commitment of the community and stakeholder are still very low. So this our study aims is to review the sustainability of the intent of the community and stakeholder in using mobile-based smart city service application. The research, our research method used is the expectation confirmation model, which is modified by the theory in the technology acceptance model or TAM, also to measure the acceptance of information technology. Data collection was conducted of 176 respondents using mobile-based smart city service application. Data analysis was performed by a MOS software of version 24 version. And the research finding indicate that there is a reliable and essential correlation between several parameters in the proposed model. Okay, this research contributes to the submission of model in the study of technology adoption and acceptance and confirmation of the model. This study suggests that policymakers and politicians pay more attention to important issues than impact the security of consumer expectation through the usage of mobile-based smart city service. Okay, this is our research methods. Our method use a survey method with a quantitative approach in quantitative approach analysis. The study description measure system is carried out using a modified expectation model and the technology acceptance models mixed. The method used is a questionnaire protocol and data collection using stratified random sampling from 176 stakeholders and users of mobile-based smart city. Inquiry form planned from a Likert scale to assess user perception about quality of smart city service mobile on the user interface and usability. Cell phone with the answer scale 1 to the scale 5 for agree strongly. This is our research method using a modified expectation confirmation model that was a combine of ECM expectation confirmation model and technology acceptance model that consists of 7 construct confirmation, satisfaction, curiosity, attitude, perceived of usefulness, perceived of ease of use, and continuance intentions. Okay, this is our object of our research, uh, mobile-based smart city in the Madura Islands and its application, namely by Pamekasan Smart and Sumekar Online in Sumeneb. Uh, okay, for district and Madura resident have started to build a concept of sustainable smart city, and this is most popular application that was used in Madura Island. Okay, this is our result and finding about a convergent validity test of the 7 from the 7 construct in our research to build the model of a modified efficacy confirmation model. Uh, Almost all of them is valid, uh, but encourage the construct, namely cure 4 and cure 5, that is invalid indicator. Okay, this is a result and finding about a discriminant validity test of the 7 construct of the modified efficacy confirmation model. Okay, this is a result of reliability test to test a reliability level of our construct. All of the construct is reliable except curiosity is not reliable in our research. This is a confirmation factor analysis from our result that test using almost 24 version, and this is the result, the outcome of analyze from our model modified expectation model using almost 23 version. Okay, this is the last finding about hypothesis assessment result about confirmation to AAOU perceived ease of use was accepted. Confirmation to perceived of usefulness was accepted. Satisfaction to attitude accepted, but perceived ease of use to continual intention was rejected. Perceived of usefulness to continual intention was accepted. Attitude to continuance intention was accepted, and at last curiosity to continuance intention was accepted. Okay, that is our conclusion of our research. The goal of this study is to examine the feasibility and of the expectation of the community and stakeholder in the use of mobile-based smart city service application. Based on this result of the data processing and study, three critical factor ratio in the modified expectation confirmation model, namely usability, information quality, and service information quality, have a positive and important effect to the user satisfaction for the mobile-based smart city application. It indicates that all three theoretical theory based on the empirical experiment and data analysis that has been carried out acknowledgement. And that is our all conclusion that all of the uh, model construct on the modified expectation confirmation model was had a positive and significant impact on the continuing intentions, but perceived ease of use has no positive and significant impact on the continuing intentions. And at last is about research implication. This research provide a practical implication that the government and stakeholders of smart city development should pay more attention to the three dimensions in the modified uh, HAM model to increase satisfaction and community involvement in using mobile-based smart city service. In acknowledgement, thank you to recognition our thanks to the Republic of Indonesian Ministry of Science, Technology and Higher Education for supporting this work through funding. This study was performed in the conjunction of a university collaborative research scheme with contract number 37 L7 in the 2019. Okay, thank you. It's last of our presentation about an understanding in Indonesian citizen continuing intention to use mobile-based smart city, a perspective of modified expectation confirmation model. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.